Hi children, in this video we are going to see the proof of centroid formula. Okay, what is the statement? The centroid of the triangle formed by A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 is G. G is the letter denoted by centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This we are going to prove here. So proof. Okay, I am taking here a triangle. This is a triangle. Here I am taking here A x1 comma y1. This is B x2 comma y2. Here I am taking C x3 comma y3. Okay. Now we are going to find centroid. How to find centroid? First of all, what is centroid? Centroid is the nothing but point of concurrency of the medians. Point of concurrency of the medians. So we have to draw medians first. Median, how to draw? You have to take midpoint of the side and need to join opposite vertex. I took midpoint of BC as D and I joined to A, so AD is the median. Same way, I took midpoint of AC as E and I joined to B, so BE is the one more median. I took AB as the midpoint of AB as F and I joined to C, so CF is the one more median. So three medians meeting at the point, that point is nothing but centroid. Now we are going to find the centroid. So first point, what is the first point? We have to remember na, this one, D. Okay, base vertex of median. D is the midpoint of BC. Clearly we know D is the midpoint of BC, that I am using. D is the midpoint of BC. So how to find midpoint? Midpoint formula we know, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? So that formula apply here. What is x1? Is nothing but x2. What is here? x3. So both add, so D will is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2 comma same way here y2 and here y3 both add ma, so y2 plus y3 by 2. This is your D. After finding D, we want to know one more important point. What is nothing but, see the diagram carefully. AD is the median, G is the centroid. What thing we know here? G divides AD in 2:1. That is the point, important point. G divides AD in 2:1 ratio. So the internal diagram you write here, again you draw here. So here we have A, here we have G, here we have D. A vertices are x1 comma y1 and G we want to find here. So D is nothing but, now only we got this is D. So what is that? x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay, dividing in the ratio 2:1. So you can apply section formula like this. So what is the formula? Section formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That you apply. M is 2, n is 1, x1 is x1, y1 is y1 only, x2 is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 is y2 plus y3 by 2. That you can apply. Okay, 1 has to multiply A, 2 has to multiply D. This shortcut also you can remember. So G is equal to, I am using shortcut here, 1 has to multiply, 1 is going to multiply A, so 1 into x1 plus 2 is going to multiply D. So 2 into, what is the D first coordinate? So x2 plus x3 by 2 by, both need to add 2 plus 1. Same way y, 1 is multiplying with y1, 1 into y1 plus 2 is multiplying here this one. So 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 whole divided with 2 plus 1. Okay ma, just you can observe here 2 cancel here, same way here also 2 cancel here. So what remains, that you write here 1 into x1, so 1 remains, 1 into x2, and x3 is nothing but x2 plus x3. So finally x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 is 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 will come here also. So this is our formula. This only they asked us to prove. In examination also they may ask this one. So be ready. Easy proof only. So finally hence proved. Keep note down this one. Very important. Okay. Thank you students.